and the moon is shining bright. The happy little mouse says goodnight. He closes his eyes all snug and tight, dreaming of his next fun flight. In the morning, off he goes, running fast with his little toes. Bouncing high and jumping low, the happy little mouse says, let's go. He meets his friends, they laugh and play, jumping around in the sun all day. Squeak, 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 and twirl around, the happiest mouse in town. But when the sun begins to set, the happy little mouse is not done yet. He hops and skips all around, happy and playful, never down. Now it's time to rest his head. The happy little mouse goes to bed.